Nikana, this is a good boy from RBCC Center Church. Nah, tell me your name again. Nikana, good boy. The RBCC Center Church in full swing, celebrating post-Christmas and the New Year, the 1st of January evening. This will be the mega funnel celebration, New Year celebration.
Hello, check. Hello, check. Check. Hello.